We humans have advanced and mastered in many various technologies, but the technologies are limited to Earth. So, to overcome this challenge and explore the universe to find answers to many unanswered questions, we looked up to the night sky and dreamed of space. In this video, we'll discuss about the history of space exploration, when we started, how much we have succeeded, and what is the future of space exploration. We humans have been venturing into space since October 4th, 1957, when USSR launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite to orbit Earth. This happened during the period of political hostility between USSR and the United States, known as Cold War. The rocket which carried Sputnik to space was R-7, which was developed by the designer Sergei Kolorev. After reaching space, Sputnik orbited Earth over every 96 minutes. Realizing that USSR had the capabilities that exceeded US technologies that could endanger Americans, the United States grew worried. Another impressive achievement of Soviet was on November 3rd, 1957. A month later, when Sputnik 2, a satellite that carried a living creature, a dog named Laika. With various space achievements of the Soviets, the United States had been working on its own capabilities to launch a satellite. The United States made two failed attempts to launch a satellite into space before succeeding with a rocket that carried a satellite called Explorer on January 31st, 1958. Explorer carried several instruments into space for conducting science experiments. In 1958, space exploration activity in the United States were consolidated into a new government agency, thus NASA was formed. With various technology development in respect to space exploration made it possible for the first human to orbit around the Earth on April 12, 1961, on a flight that lasted 108 minutes. And the first human in space was Soviet cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. 3 weeks later, on May 25th, President John F. Kennedy set a national goal declaring landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth within a decade. And on July 20, 1969, astronaut Neil Armstrong took one giant leap for mankind as he stepped onto the moon. But for man landing on the moon, 6 Apollo missions were made to explore the moon between 1969 and 1972. Space stations marked the next phase of space exploration. With first space station in Earth orbit was Soviet Salyut 1 launched in 1971, followed by NASA's Skylab space station, the first orbital laboratory in which astronauts and scientists studied Earth and the effect of space flight on human body. Modern space exploration is reaching areas only dreamed about. Mars is a focal point of modern exploration, and manned Mars exploration is long-term goal of the United States. NASA is on a journey to Mars with the goal of sending humans to the red planet in 2030s. NASA and its partner have sent orbital lander and rover, increasing our knowledge about the planet. The Curiosity rover has gathered radiation data to protect astronauts, and the Mars 2020 rover will study the availability of oxygen and other Martian resources. Here we come to the end of today's video. The topic of space is infinite as space itself. If you have enjoyed this video, then a like will be marvelous. To connect with me for more such videos, consider subscribing. Signing off.